अगर
Yes.
आपके पास ये गाड़ी नहीं होती
Hmm.
और अगर आपको दूसरी गाड़ी खरीदनी होती तो आप कौन सी गाड़ी खरीदते
I would have
फरारी
bought
में?
the
सो
same
क्या
car.
रेंज रियलिस्टिकली यू सेइंग 330?
Realistic 330 to 340. If you are driving very enthusiastically, you will get
एंड इफ यू
300
ड्राइव
kilometers.
कंजर्वेटिव लाइक व्हेन यू
Conservative, you can
सो
get around
एडास पे अगर
4.
बात करें हम,
Yeah,
कितना यूज करते हो एडास को?
ADAS is very dangerous for Indian
Pluses and
courts.
minus,
Yeah,
but
especially
what
when
are your biggest misses on
yeah,
this car? If somebody is planning to buy
there
this
is
car, आप क्या suggest करोगे उसको?
yeah, the sales thing is good, great, but the after sales it's not good.
ECU port है.
Yeah.
Okay, but
It
what
doesn't.
about the app? There is no app?
Yeah, the biggest con of this car is that there is no app connectivity.
Console and everything. How is the AC? People are complaining कि इसका AC बहुत weak है and all.
Yeah, in daytime, in the strong sunlight, yeah, it's weak. I agree.
So how do you feel जब लोग इस तरह की Chinese की बातें करते हैं? How do you feel? I mean, or what do you tell them in return?
Yeah, I don't feel bad because being country specific in the automobile industry is not a thing of the intelligent people because
Which is the other car?
yeah, other car is a Tata Tiago EV.
Tata Tiago. So you have both EVs.
Yeah, both EVs.
नमस्ते एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू द न्यू वीडियो। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त निखिल और आ गया हूं लेके एक और नई वीडियो अबाउट द BYD Atto 3 और ये होने वाली है एक यूनिक वन ऑफ अ काइंड ओनरशिप रिव्यू फ्रॉम वन ऑफ द यंगेस्ट ओनर्स ऑफ द BYD Atto 3 जो मेरे पीछे खड़ी है। सो हम इसके ओनर से मिलेंगे, बताएंगे क्यों वो इतने स्पेशल हैं, उनसे काफी वार्तालाप करेंगे। अगर आप BYD Atto 3 खरीदने की सोच रहे हो इन 2024 अक्टूबर, तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि सर्विस कैसी है BYD की, कंपनी कैसी है BYD, इस गाड़ी में क्या अच्छा है क्या नहीं है, सब कुछ इसी में ही कवर कर देंगे आपके लिए। सो वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द लाइक बटन एंड टिल नाउ इफ यू हैवंट रियली सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल देन व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? हिट द सब्सक्रिप्शन बटन, हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन, लेट्स गेट गोइंग, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। तो चलिए मिलाते हैं आपको हमारे स्पेशल गेस्ट से आज, जिनका नाम है
Hi, hello everyone. I'm Ivan. So I'm 15 years old and I'm studying class 10. I'm a big time car enthusiast. Yeah.
मीटिंग हुई थी जब हम BYD के जो इवेंट थे उसमें मिलने गए थे, वहां पे पता लगा था कि इवान इज ऑल्सो अ सब्सक्राइबर और तभी हमारी प्लानिंग हो गई थी कि हम जरूर से एक वीडियो बनाएंगे। उस दिन नहीं बना पाए बिकॉज ऑफ सम रीजंस, बट गेटिंग दिस वीडियो टू यू। तो इवान से हम बात करते हैं, विल गेट टू नो अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट हिम, विल गेट टू नो अ लॉट about this car and what is his thought and impressions about this car. So Ivan, first question. Ivan, as he said, he's a car enthusiast. तो चलो अपने लोग चलते हैं कार के अंदर,
Okay.
बिकॉज गर्मी बहुत हो रही है। एंड ड्राइवर साहब आए हैं आपके,
Yes.
दादा। सो इवान आया है, ऑब्वियसली इवान तो गाड़ी चला नहीं सकता है। कृष्णकांत जी आए हैं, कृष्णकांत राइट? कृष्णकांत जी, आप तो ये गाड़ी रेगुलर नहीं चलाते हैं, तो आपको कैसा लगा ये गाड़ी चला के?
बहुत अच्छा लगा।
मतलब क्या अच्छा लगा, बाकी गाड़ी से क्या डिफरेंट है?
बहुत हल्का है और अच्छा पिकअप है
अच्छा पिकअप है
जी।
और लोगों को बोलेंगे ऐसा गाड़ी लेने के लिए तो लेना चाहिए,
हाँ, लेना चाहिए।
लेना चाहिए। चलो कृष्णकांत जी ने भी अपना अप्रूवल दे दिया। ऑन दैट नोट, दिस इज इवान एंड मी, वी आर अबाउट टू स्टार्ट द वीडियो। सो बने रहो वीडियो पे, बहुत कुछ आपसे आज हम इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करने वाले हैं। तो चलो भाई, उसके पहले तो कार में चलने के पहले, ड्राइव करने के पहले इवान थोड़ा बहुत व्यूअर्स को बताइए कि ये कौन सी कार है, कौन सा मॉडल है, आपने कब ये ली और कितने में ली?
This is BYD Atto 3. We purchased it back in 2024 February. It's been something around 8 months now, 7-8 months. Yeah. So it's an ideal time to know about the pros and cons of the car. So yeah.
So you said you purchased it in 2020
2024 February.
2024 February. So
Yeah.
it has been roughly around 6 months
Yeah.
that you've been driving this car. How many kilometers it's been driven?
It's been clocked around 15,000 kilometers on the road.
15,000. So
Yeah.
who's mostly using this car?
My dad drives it for going to the office and commutes and all. We have not done any road trips till now, but
Okay.
we are planning it in the next month.
Chalo, that's awesome. And what's your father's name, if you would like to mention
My
it?
father's name is Abhishek. He runs a travel company.
चलो ग्रेट, मतलब इंटरनेशनल एंड
Yes.
डोमेस्टिक एज वेल।
Yeah.
तब तो यार चलो उनसे भी अपना परिचय हो ही जाएगा। एंड इवान इज अ वेरी स्वीट गाय, ही हैज टेकन आउट टाइम, came all the way over here. I like the number plate.
Yeah.
So it's okay to show the number plate, I hope.
Yeah.
So 1003 कोई significance है इसका?
No, there is no significance. We have two cars. Both the cars have the same number plate.
So obviously the significance is कि since पहली car जो है, which is the other car?
The other car is a Tata Tiago EV.
Tata Tiago. So you have both EVs.
Yeah, both EVs.
So ऐसा था कि पहले petrol diesel था and then you
Yeah, we
decided
had ICE vehicles before. Before we had Honda City diesel and MG Hector petrol.
you had the Honda City diesel
And
and
the MG Hector petrol.
the sorry
MG Hector petrol.
and the MG Hector
Yeah.
petrol. So you had a diesel, you had a petrol, and which year did you decide कि अब petrol और diesel का हो गया खत्म?
We decided in the last year because our car running was rising and we had to shift. We sold a Honda City and bought a Tiago EV. We liked it much and we decided to sell the MG Hector also because the Hector was not getting used much because of the Tiago EV. So we
Awesome.
sold it and bought this car.
So पहले अपने Tiago EV खरीदी
Yeah.
और वो इतनी अच्छी लगी कि अपने फिर टाटा की नेक्सॉन या फिर कुछ कोई नहीं खरीदी. Why did you
Because
purchase
the
BYD?
vehicle had some issues like the rattling noise and all because it's Tata thing.
No, absolutely, I
Yeah.
understand. So see, it's not a premium segment.
Yeah.
Tata Tiago is a very entry-level hatchback, and understandably, if you wanted to get into something more premium.
Yeah.
चलो गाड़ी के अंदर चलते हैं और बाकी की बातें भी वहीं करेंगे. तो अपने ड्राइवर दादा से चाबी ले लेते हैं. We will make sure of that. So इवान से तो हम और बात करेंगे ही, बट इस कार के बारे में मैं जितनी बात करूंगा उतनी कम होगी. The moment I open this car, first things first that I see is premiumness, and I have been talking about premiumness all the way. But चलो अब इस कार को ड्राइव भी करते हैं और पता करते हैं. दादा इतना सामने सीट करके बैठे हुए थे. ओके एंड अपनी ड्राइविंग कंफर्ट के हिसाब से लेट मी जस्ट एडजस्ट द स्टीयरिंग. एक चीज अच्छी लगी यार इवान, तो स्टीयरिंग जब एडजस्ट कर रहे हैं ना, बाकी सब कार्स में क्या होता है, MID जो होता है,
MID वहीं रह जाता है, इसमें एडजस्टेबल.
लेट मी शो यू गाइस. सो दिस वाज यूनिक. सो देखो जब हम कार को कर रहे हैं इसमें रीच भी करोगे तो MID इज इंटीग्रेटेड विथ योर स्टीयरिंग माउंट. सो दैट इज अमेजिंग. यहाँ पे देखो आप, ये यहीं पर ही इंटीग्रेटेड है. सो दिस इज ग्रेट जॉब डन बाय BYD once again. So Ivan, you tell me, what is it that you love the most?
The interior is it's a funky interior and whoever sits in your car you just get compliments.
Every time.
Yeah, every time.
किसी ने तो बुराई की होगी भाई. So how do you feel जब लोग इस तरह की Chinese की बातें करते हैं? How do you feel? I mean, or what do you tell them in return?
Yeah, I don't feel bad because being country specific in the automobile industry is not a thing of the intelligent people because yeah, because with wherever the origin of the car must be good at the end, and we are paying more taxes to the government for getting these Chinese cars than the ICE vehicle which we get in India. So I love my country and I support India, but yeah.
Awesome,
The,
awesome.
The car should be good, yeah. We must not see the origin.
I mean, ये सबसे अच्छा तरीका हुआ मेरे हिसाब से to put it across in a very, very nice way.
Yeah.
We love India. We love everything about India. But at the end of the day, we are taxpayers, as I say, and wherever we find value for our hard-earned money,
Yeah.
after paying our taxes, we should not have any biasness or prejudice.
Yeah.
So इवान ने इतने अच्छे से बोला, अभी कोई मेरे को नेक्स्ट टाइम पूछेगा ना तू BYD क्यों करता है, बोला देखो भाई, लव माय इंडिया,
Yeah.
बट टेक्नोलॉजी अभी किस चीज में नहीं है? चाइनीज टेक्नोलॉजी ऑलमोस्ट
Everything.
हर चीज में ही है.
iPhones में भी है. We are using MI phones. उसमें भी है. MI phones are 100% manufactured in China.
करेक्ट है ना?
Not manufactured but assembled in India.
Yeah, I mean there is some part of
Yeah.
Chinese technology somewhere or the other and Japanese technology and all
Yeah.
these things. So let us not see, politicians and the government is more than enough to divide countries and create borders. Let us not do that. In fact, let us try and unite with the help of technology and love and passion for vehicles. ये Chinese, German and all those things, ये prejudice नहीं रखना ही better है मेरे हिसाब से. You let me know what you think in the comment section and how did you like Ivan's thought process. So Ivan, you don't mind if I
No.
drive this car around? So first things first, we will take the seat belts and I would request Ivan to also go ahead and do the same. Just look at this lovely center console and everything. How is the AC? People are complaining कि इसका AC बहुत weak है and all.
Yeah, in daytime, in the strong sunlight, yeah, it's weak. I agree.
Why do you think so? मतलब कुछ तो analysis किया होगा कि क्यों ऐसा हो
Yeah,
सकता है.
like you are running it on full blast. The AC is like incapable. It throws like not very chilly air. So it cools the cabin but not chills the cabin.
चलो एक कोशिश करते हैं अपने जो AC को है वो एकदम लो पे डालते हैं,
Yeah,
ठीक है, बट ब्लोअर स्पीड क्योंकि फिर आर व्यूअर्स विल गेट, कहाँ गया ये रहा, ब्लोअर स्पीड को अपने लो पे कर देते
yeah,
हैं. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी. देखो मैं क्योंकि टाटा चलाता हूँ ना, तो उसका एसी भी बहुत ग्रेट
yeah.
नहीं है.
Tata's AC is nice. Tiago AC is nice.
And this is a dual zone AC, of course.
No, not
It's
dual
not?
zone. It's single zone.
But it's showing temperature for
Yeah.
both the sides. देखो ये तो धोखा का हो गया भाई हमारे साथ भी. मुझे तो यही पता था.
No. In Seal it's dual zone. Yeah. In Seal it's
Seal
dual
I know. Seal I know.
In Atto 3 it's not dual zone.
Seal I know. Just let's just take a look at the Odo. So अपने यहाँ पे देख पा रहे हैं कि ओडो में जो
Yeah.
ट्रिप है वो 3200 की ये ट्रिप नहीं, अपने ओडो इज 15146 एंड दैट टू इन 6-7 months. सो यू सेइंग मोस्टली जो कार है वो सिटी में ही चली है. सो कितना डेली का क्या रनिंग है सर का?
The daily running is around 50 kilometers in this car, and in the Tiago EV it's around 100 kilometers per day. It is completely chauffeur driven. Tiago EV.
टियागो इज तो
Yeah.
कौन यूज कर रहा है टियागो ईवी को?
The Tiago EV is being driven by a personal driver for daily errands like school pickup drop and like something to drop off.
So
at
which
some-
one you're using the most?
I am using the most Tiago EV. Sometimes I get this car also.
Sometimes you get this
Yeah.
car and that's a special day when you get it.
Yeah, of course.
तो दोस्तों को फ्लॉन्ट करना एकदम वो तो भाई
Yeah.
बनता है ना. What does your friend say about
Yeah,
this car?
my friends are always like, it's a very good car. They like the interior the most.
So of course the interior is worth. I mean, what is not there to not like?
Yeah, they tease me like it's a Chinese car.
Tell
All
them
of them.
something. Okay, so which car do they drive? Have you asked them?
Yeah, they drive. Some of them drive Verna, Creta.
Okay,
Yeah,
and that's so Verna and Creta, Hyundai. They are Indo. So that's a Korean car,
yeah.
right? So you tell them na. So how are you not driving Indian cars? And see, it's a global brand, right? It is one of the
Yeah,
highest selling electric cars globally.
yeah.
इंडिया में तो चलो अभी जाके थोड़ी सी एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी आ रही है इस कार को लेकर. बट गाइस एक चीज मैं बता दूं, ये लो में है और सच में अगर बोलूं तो भाई ये ब्लोअर स्पीड को अपने को तेज करना पड़ेगा. मैंने मिडिल में रख दिया है, बट या द एसी इज एज पीपल सेड कि थोड़ा तो ऑन द वीकर साइड है. जस्ट माई थॉट इज नंबर 1, एक तो इसका ग्लास एरिया बहुत ज्यादा है. सो
Yeah.
ग्लास देयर, ग्लास हियर, ग्लास एवरीवेयर. सो इसका ग्लास एरिया बहुत ज्यादा होने की वजह से क्या होता है ना, it gets more heat inside and a big windscreen also. So these are the few things, but yeah, overall AC can be better,
Of course. Yeah.
है कि नहीं?
Yeah.
And what about the panoramic sunroof? I mean, how much do you like it or how much do you use this?
It's good. I don't come out of the sunroof and
No,
all.
please don't.
Yeah,
that
it's
is
very
not-
dangerous.
Yeah,
Like, yeah, it's good. In winters, it's pretty useful, but in summers, not very much. Not that much useful.
not that much
Yeah.
useful. तो generally बंद ही रहता है.
Yes, it's centrally closed. And whenever we lock the vehicle, it automatically gets closed.
But
The
that's good.
blinds.
That's good. Oh, just the blinds.
Yeah.
What if this thing is open, for example?
No, both get closed together. Yeah.
और जैसी कार लॉक होगी अगर खुला रहेगा तो अपने आप बंद होएगा वो.
So like there is no rain sensing wipers, and if the sunroof is open and you switch on the wiper, it will automatically get closed.
Okay, that's good. I think that's kind of smart.
Yeah.
And I mean, how much do you miss the ventilated seats in this car?
Yeah, Hector had it. Not that much.
चल जाता है
Fine.
काम चल जाता है. That's good. That's good. So if somebody is, अभी तो देख रहे हैं कि BYD Atto 3 बहुत लोग, they are suddenly,
Yes.
people are eager to buy this car,
Yes.
especially with the dynamic
Yes.
in the picture. So what do you think? अगर dynamic का announcement हुआ होता तो would you have gone for the dynamic variant or would you have still gone?
I would have gone for the middle variant, which is the premium variant,
Okay.
because it has all the features. Just they are charging 2-3 lakhs extra for the ADAS unit.
That was my next question.
Yeah.
So ADAS पे अगर बात करें हम,
Yeah,
कितना यूज करते हो ADAS को?
ADAS is very dangerous for Indian roads, especially the AEB feature. I got red-handed twice because of that. The car was moving and it suddenly stopped, and the person rammed from behind.
So guys, I hope ये वीडियो या तो मेरी कर्व ईवी वीडियो के पहले आएगी या तो बाद में आएगी. So हमने जब कर्व ईवी का भी टेस्ट ड्राइव लिया था ना, तो फॉरवर्ड कोलिजन जो था, इतना सडन ब्रेक होता है, एक तो वो झटका भी लगता है, दूसरा जैसा इवान ने बोला वो रेयर एंडिंग होने का चांसेस इज द मोस्ट.
I have also experienced the Curve EV. It's very aggressive.
very
Very
aggressive.
aggressive.
The ADAS उसका बहुत मतलब it's not smooth.
Yeah.
It's not smooth at all. You let me know again in the comment section which car are you driving and which EV. Or if you're planning to buy an EV, let me tell you that you are welcome on our WhatsApp community, जहाँ पर Ivan भी part है. What do you think about that WhatsApp community, bro?
Yeah, it's a WhatsApp community. All non-EV and EV users are there. We get great insights. Like non-EV users get like we should buy it or not. All the pros and cons are posted there. The problems related to EV and all.
Correct. And people all across the country are there over there. So if you want to be a part, the number given below, all you need to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and there is a small form given in the description. You need to fill it up, give me the screenshot on that number, and we are welcome to onboard you. And at the same time, just to let you know, अगर आप ईवी खरीदने का सोच रहे हो और कंफ्यूज हो कि कौन सी ईवी लें नहीं लें, तो मैं आपको बता दूं कि I would be more than happy to get on a call with you and discuss on a one-to-one basis, understand your needs and requirements, basis which I can always suggest what are your best possible options. And in the current scheme of things, जहां पर इतनी सारी EVs जो हैं अब इवान आ गई हैं, with the most latest launches like the Windsor EV and the most awaited one that I am waiting for is the Nexon 45.
Yeah, it has been already launched, I guess.
It has not really been launched. It has been announced.
Yeah, it has been announced.
It has been announced. So it's yet to launch. I'm pretty sure they're not going to wait for too long. Otherwise, people who are in that dilemma कि Windsor लेना है कि Nexon लेना है, वो Windsor पे चले जाएंगे. So I'm pretty sure वो लोग करेंगे. और just to let you know, if you have been following my channel and if you have been watching my videos जहाँ पे मैं अपनी कार अपग्रेड करने की सोच रहा हूँ, that Nexon EV45 is like a temptress right now to me. I'm so tempted to buy that over the Windsor, and I'll tell you the reasons why I would go for Windsor and why I would not, and vice versa, why I'd go for Nexon 45 EV or why not. Which one do you prefer between these two?
I would prefer the Nexon EV any day because the Windsor EV is a toy car. Yeah.
Oh, so you're talking from a looks perspective.
Yeah.
How it looks. But what about the tech? See, what I believe, एक कार में सबसे important क्या होता है ना, उसका tech होता है.
Yeah.
The reason why that you said that you bought this car was because of the battery.
Because of the battery, yeah.
Correct. And चलो और बताओ, I mean, why did you guys go for BYD Atto 3?
Yeah, we were very clear in our thoughts that what car we need to buy, because we travel a lot and we know how the people accept the company BYD abroad. Because in Singapore there are many taxis like E6 and Atto 3s. They have clocked more than 5-6 lakh kilometers, and the battery is still retaining around 80% SOH state of health. So that's great.
That is correct. And do you know how do you get to know what is the SOH of your battery pack?
Yeah, it can be. We can know that from the service center, from the ECU port.
But what about the app? There is no app?
Yeah, the biggest con of this car is that there is no app connectivity. Yeah.
So उससे क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम होती है? Because you use Tata है, उसमें Z Connect app है.
उसमें Z Connect app है. उसके पहले भी we had MG Hector, उसमें भी आपका MG iSmart app था. इसमें big missing feature है, जैसे like it is software driven though, so like I have to call the driver.
Geofencing.
Yeah, yes. Geofencing. I have to call the driver multiple times कि कहाँ हैं आप, कितने देर में आ रहे हैं. And it's a human tendency, like वो लोग यहाँ हैं, वो बोलेंगे हम कहीं पास में यहाँ हैं.
Correct. So tracking,
so, yeah. Correct.
And especially when it's mostly been chauffeur driven when your dad is not driving. Right?
Yes, it's mostly software driven, and like the remote AC control.
Correct.
And we can switch it on from the remote itself. but the car needs to be on the ground floor. Then I can switch it on from my flat.
करेक्ट बट अगेन वही बात है कि एक कनेक्टेड कार ऐप होना इट्स वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट सो हाउ मच डिड यू बाय दिस कार फॉर इन
We
2024 Feb
we bought it for 3650 or 37. I don't remember.
3650 but isn't it the 2023 model because पीछे में लिखा हुआ था build your dreams
Yeah,
so this is
it's
the old model
yeah, it's
and
a
I believe
pre-facelift
it
model.
also has a dash cam and all
Yeah, it has a dash cam.
so आपको बता दूं गाइस so अभी भी बहुत सारे BYD के शोरूम्स में अपना जो Atto 3 का 2023 वाला जो मॉडल जो है ना वो डिस्काउंट पे वो लोग दे रहे हैं तो आपको कोई डिस्काउंट मिली थी
No, we got a discount of around 50,000 only.
but 50,000 मिली थी and how was the where did you buy it from which dealership
We bought it from Karini BYD.
Mhm.
Yeah, the sales thing is good, great.
Yeah so or what are the few more cons because I know every car has
Yes.
its pluses and minus though this car has so many pluses and minus
Yeah.
but what are your biggest misses
Yeah,
on this car if somebody is planning to buy
there
this
is
car आप क्या suggest करोगे
Yes.
उसको
like there is no auto wiper. Yeah, there is auto headlight, but no auto wiper.
also rain sensing wipers
Rain
इसमें
sensing
नहीं है
wiper is not there. Yeah,
how much of that is an inconvenience
like it's not an inconvenience. You can always switch it on, but it's good to have a feature.
it's a good to have feature
Yeah.
yes but it's not really a stop thing that की car उससे मतलब
No.
and what about the ventilated
Yeah, we don't
seats?
have ventilated seats also. In other countries we do have, but in India they did not bring that.
So you keep saying that we. So you consider yourself to be a part of the BYD family or something, is it?
Yeah,
हाँ
yeah,
नहीं अच्छा है ये this is a very nice thing because एक ownership लेना और वो करना वो भी बहुत important है. You said कि the sales was very good. The
Yeah.
sales experience was very good. कितने दिन wait कराया कार के लिए?
1 week. Yeah, I bought it from Acco.
Okay. So
Yeah,
what
the finance was from Todi Investors.
finance was Todi Investors.
Yeah, I bought the
Okay.
insurance from Acco.
All right.
Yeah, they are covering the battery pack. I did mail to them and they reverted back that they are covering the battery pack. It was way cheaper than the Karini BYD quoted me. They quoted something around 1,40,000.
My God.
I got it for almost half. I got for 80K.
So this is the biggest tip that we can give in this particular video because even I'm planning to buy a new car. Obviously, unfortunately, BYD तो नहीं होगी वो मैं पहले ही कह दे रहा हूँ because अभी वो range वो budget नहीं है. But you buy any new car, don't take the insurance from the dealership. If you can get it, first of all, get a quotation from elsewhere. बाहर से quotation लो. Tell them the quotation. If they can match it, great. If they don't, बाहर से करवा लो. एक और ट्रिक बताता हूँ इवान. So बहुत सारी जो इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज जो हैं वो लोग क्या करती हैं कि आपके कार का वैल्यू है समझ लो 20 लाख रुपए ओके उसको वो लोग आईडीवी निकाल देंगे आईडीवी समझते हो
Yes, I do. 10% depreciation
Correct.
calculator.
10% डेप्रिसिएशन काट के उसमें समझो 18 लाख की उन्होंने ये कर दी
हाँ.
बट फिर बोलते हैं कि खाली शेल इंश्योर्ड है अगर बैटरी और मोटर में कुछ हुआ तो फिर उसको इंश्योर नहीं करेंगे आपको भी ऐसा कुछ फेस
नहीं,
या
नहीं.
सुनने में आया था
सुनने में नहीं आया. अगर बैटरी डैमेज हो गया जैसे बम्पर पे चल रहा है बम्पर से बैटरी डैमेज हो गया तो बैटरी कवर्ड होगा. ऐसे कोई मेजर एक्सीडेंट हो गया तो रिटर्न टू इनवॉइस है तो फुल कार का अमाउंट वापस आएगा एक्सक्लूडिंग बैटरी. ऐसा नहीं है.
नहीं रिटर्न टू इनवॉइस समझ में आता है बट
आईडीवी भी आपका बैटरी कवर्ड है उसमें.
कवर्ड होना चाहिए बट बहुत सारे इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज ये गलत काम कर रही हैं कि पूरा आईडीवी भी कर रही हैं उसमें बैटरी पैक का अलग से ऐड ऑन करवा रही हैं
Yes,
दैट इज आई बिलीव इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग
Yes.
एंड इफ दैट्स द केस देन यू डू नॉट टेक द फुल आईडीवी आप जितना कम आईडीवी हो सके क्योंकि अगर खाली शेल को ही कवर करना है तो जितना लोएस्ट आईडीवी ले आ सको ले आओ और उसमें फिर ऐड ऑन लेना है तो लो अभी बैटरी का अलग और मोटर का अलग बट एटलीस्ट इंश्योरेंस बाहर से ही कराओ. एक और चीज मैं देख रहा हूँ भाई ये जो वायरलेस
हाँ, इसमें
चार्जिंग
प्रॉब्लम.
तो इसके बारे में भी थोड़ा बताओ बिकॉज मैं देख रहा हूँ बार बार डिस्कनेक्ट हो
हाँ,
जा
ये
रहा है
आपका फोन अगर बीच में नहीं रखा रहेगा ये हर बार डिस्कनेक्ट होगा ऑन होगा ऑफ होगा.
तो ये क्या मतलब ऐसे कैसे बीच में पड़ा रहेगा ये फोन
वही
गाड़ी राइट लेफ्ट लेगी तो ये फोन भी तो थोड़ा बहुत हिले डुलेगा
वो तो है.
तो ये आई मीन लाइक ये ट्रबल करता है मतलब डू यू गेट अनॉयड एट टाइम्स
I don't use it at all because the phone gets heated up and it's pretty slow. I use the cable.
सो गुड पॉइंट so wireless charging is a total gimmick
Yeah, it's a total gimmick. If they put a fan or something like that, it's okay. It charges 10-15% in an hour.
understood otherwise it lacks a lot
Yeah,
in
I have a
features as
point.
well
The Windsor EV is using the same battery from the Chinese company. The name of the Chinese company I cannot remember. The Windsor EV and Nexon EV both are using the same battery.
It's called the prismatic cells.
Yeah,
Prismatic
that's the
cells.
technology, but the same brand battery they are using.
Okay, you're talking about the brand.
Yeah,
That's great because they are the ones. I forgot the name. They are the ones who are manufacturing this.
Yeah, they are Chinese batteries.
Yes, prismatic cells.
Yeah.
और इसमें क्या है कि basically cells की density ज़्यादा है and उसका size कम है. So they are able to pack in more juice into the battery pack and give more range.
Yeah. That you're talking about the battery technology, but the brand that is manufacturing the battery.
Yeah, that's Chinese.
Yeah, Tata batteries have many problems. We all agree.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Windsor EV and the Nexon EV both are using the same battery company. So they are taking the battery from the same brand.
Correct. अभी एक बात बताओ on that note. Okay, and I hope you guys are enjoying this video because conversation ऐसे ही होती है. हम छोटी वीडियो तो नहीं, एक लॉन्ग वीडियो आपके लिए लेके आएंगे जहां पर ये सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको मिल रही होगी and I hope you are also enjoying that. But tell me something. You understand the range loss, right? Range loss percentage.
Yeah.
Why, even if with the similar battery tech, why the range loss in Tata is more in compared to MG? Can you guess or can you tell us?
I don't know. Actually.
Okay, so it's all about the BMS.
Yeah.
Right, the battery can be the same, but how well the BMS is, how well that software or that tech is, that manages.
It's very inferior in Tata.
It is at a very adolescent stage. While that's why I don't really tag Chinese company because they are far advanced in their tech and they have been manufacturing EV cars for far too long now. So they're already experts. Tata will reach there. Yeah. And as you said, we love India, and I somehow feel that अगर भरोसा कर सकते हो तो Tata is worth putting your money on, because देखो, end of the day I understand all the knick-knack issues and the nagging problems. They also resolve them. तो ऐसा कि नहीं they leave their customers stranded.
Yes, they resolve them, but they take time.
They will take time ना बाबा, because see what is happening is उनका भी prime motto क्या है? गाड़ियां बेचो. अब गाड़ियां बेचने के बाद उनको सर्विस करने के लिए जगह ही नहीं है. So they need to start creating hubs where it's all EV onboarded, where only EVs will be serviced. And okay, so on that note, अच्छा हुआ ये बात बोलते बोलते. So जब आप Atto 3 खरीद रहे थे और जब आप टाटा की टियागो खरीद रहे थे, what was the biggest difference in terms of the sales representatives knowledge and the service लोगों की knowledge? उसमें कुछ टिप्पणी है क्या?
No, BYD people were also very intelligent. They knew all the features of the car and all. Some things I also enlightened them.
Like for example?
Like for example, the AC control with 3 fingers.
Oh, they didn't know?
No, they didn't know.
Achha.
I only told them.
So these functions are very simple, guys. These 3 fingers. This is your temperature, and this is your AC ka blower. So isn't that cool? I hope you knew it. In case you did not, Ivan has enlightened us.
And Tata people were also, they also knew all the functions of the car and all. The experience was good.
So,
from both
but somehow I feel that Tata, the sales representatives, reps, they are not well trained, or they don't have the complete knowledge and education around the EV.
Yeah, for EV, I can say they are like EV illiterate.
EV illiterate है, तो वो education लाना ही सबसे important है.
That's the major thing.
बहुत बार होता है ना, जैसे मैं जाता हूँ जब उनके शोरूम पे, and when I ask questions and when they do
they
not
are blank.
No, they're not blank. They're very confidently giving bulbal information.
Yes.
Okay. If you're blank, I would appreciate that you put your hand up and say you don't know.
Yes.
वैसे by the way, ये बम्पर इतना बड़ा है, इसका ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस कैसा है भाई?
इसका ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस इज वेरी गुड.
मतलब ये सब बम्पर पे जब मेरे को
आज तक नहीं टिका.
आज तक नहीं. So Ivan, tell us more interesting things about this car. Like, what are those things that probably someone who doesn't own it or planning to buy, उसको पता ही नहीं है, and after you have used it for 15,000 kilometers, you know. For example, like आपने जो 3 finger gesture वाला जो बताया, what else?
There is nothing else.
So he's going into the settings.
Yeah, you can see the energy flow in the settings.
ओके सो ये यहाँ पर भी दिखता है क्या
नहीं,
MID
यहाँ
में?
पर नहीं दिखता.
सो ओके
It's only in the settings, and you can select two range modes. The standard shows the claimed range, which is the WLTC claimed range
Uh-huh.
of 480 kilometers. It shows according to that, and if you do it like in the dynamic mode, it changes as per how you drive.
ओके सो करंटली
It's 370.
इट्स
Yeah.
370
According to the WLTC cycle, which is 480 kilometers for a full charge. So if you are at 50% of charge, it will show 480 divided by 2, which is 240 kilometers.
सी एक्चुअली आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन एकदम लास्ट के लिए रेंज because everybody wants to know that only कि
Yeah.
भैया रेंज क्या है. तो चलो now that we have spoken, let's talk about the range. So you first bought the Tiago EV,
Yes.
right? And I believe it's a very good car.
Yes.
Very good car. उसकी बैटरी पैक चेंज हुई है, वो कितने किलोमीटर चली है?
Battery pack is not changed. It has clocked around 38,000 kilometers. 14
38,000
months.
in
14 months.
14 months, 38,000 kilometers it has been clocked, and the battery pack has not changed. How are you charging your battery every time 100%, or what
Yeah,
is your?
every time 100%. Yeah.
You see, this is called a smart owner. So अपने को EV खरीदना है तो EV खरीदते के साथ साथ EV smart भी बनना है. We need to understand what is the best way of maintaining your EV. The service center will not maintain your EV. They will service your EV. We need to maintain the EV. Do you agree?
Yeah.
सो चार्जिंग सही तरीके से करो, बाकी ईवी में कोई पंगा ही नहीं है, ना मोटर की टेंशन ना बैटरी की टेंशन, कुछ भी नहीं आएगी. सो आपने टियागो ईवी खरीदी,
Yes.
उसमें कितना रेंज मिल रहा था? वो LR ही होगा, आई एम श्योर, टॉप मॉडल.
Yeah, it's the LR version. It is claimed that it runs 315 kilometer, but we are getting around 180 to 200 kilometer with AC.
ऑसम,
Yeah.
जस्ट लाइक माय नेक्सॉन ईवी प्राइम व्हिच इज ग्रेट इन सिटी. सो जब इसको लेने का सोच रहे थे, वाज रेंज अ कंसर्न?
Yeah, the range was a concern because we do some long trips and all, and this was going to be the primary car. Though this is a heavy car, we are getting around 170 to 180 watt hour per kilometer, which sums to about 330 to 340 kilometers
170 to 180
watt hour.
वॉट आवर पर किलोमीटर का मतलब है कि बिल्कुल भी कंजर्वेटिव वे ऑफ ड्राइविंग नहीं है.
Yes.
दैट मींस इट इज एन एब्सोल्यूट नॉर्मल वे ऑफ ड्राइविंग है. ज्यादा से ज्यादा किस मोड में चलाते हो, इको या फिर?
It's always driven on eco mode, and whenever we need to pull or something, my dad gets the sports mode on.
बट आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइस, इको मोड में भी दिस कार का
Yes.
जो थ्रॉटल रिस्पॉन्स है, वो थ्रॉटल रिस्पॉन्स तो नहीं है, बट मोटर रिस्पॉन्स जो है वो इतना अच्छा है, बट you still get those that push back into your. So do you know how much what is the power output
Yeah,
of your car?
201 horsepower and 300 Newton meter torque.
So 300 न्यूटन मीटर टॉर्क पता लगता है इको मोड में भी, और स्पोर्ट्स
Yes.
मोड में तो पूरा का पूरा ही चलाया है. स्पोर्ट्स मोड पे
हाँ, yes.
अपने कॉम्प्लेक्स में ही भाई स्पोर्ट्स हमको बेवकूफ बना रहा है ये, और कुछ नहीं है. बट हम बोल नहीं सकते हैं ना यूट्यूब पे, समझ रहे हो ना, कि भाई रास्ते पे गाड़ी नहीं चलाता है. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. अपने कॉम्प्लेक्स में चलाता है और उसने स्पोर्ट्स मोड भी चलाया है. नो नो, ऑल गुड ब्रो.
Yeah.
हम भी जब इस उम्र के थे तो हमने भी इस तरह के ही कॉम्प्लेक्सेस में गाड़ियां चलाई हैं. सो ऑल गुड.
Yes.
अभी देखो पीछे में एक पेट्रोल गाड़ी खराब पड़ी हुई थी. हम क्या ईवी गाड़ी के बारे में कंप्लेन करते. लोगों ने जब फर्स्ट ईवी खरीदी तो कोई किसी ने पूछा था, किसी ने बोला था कि क्यों खरीद रहे हो ये गाड़ी एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स?
No.
Nobody said. What about when you're buying this?
Like people said that why are you buying this? Buy a nice car, but
हाँ,
not.
but you guys were like एकदम clear.
एकदम clear है.
Just like once you drive an EV, you are absolutely clear कि EV ही चलानी है.
Yes.
So क्या range realistically you're saying? 330.
Realistic 330 to 340. If you are driving very enthusiastically, you will get.
And if you
300
drive
kilometers.
conservative, like when
Conservative, you can get around 400, 420 easily.
400, 420, and
Like you are cruising at 80 kilometer per hour on the highway, you can get 420 easily. Like in this weather, like the temperature is around 30 degrees and direction light is not hitting the car.
correct. So as I said, कि range is the king in 2024 October. If you are planning to buy an EV, and EV का भी कैसा है ना इवान, कि just like your smartphones, every 6-7 months you will see a new company is bringing out their
Yes.
EV with a new tech, a new software, a bigger range.
Yeah.
Just like smartphone में कैसा होता था, हमारी MAH ज्यादा है, हमारा मेगापिक्सल ज्यादा है, अब हम ये दे रहे हैं, अब हमने 4 कैमरा दे दिया, हमने 5 कैमरा दे दिया, हमने फोन बीच में फोल्ड कर
Yeah.
दिया. अब EV के संग भी यही होना है. बट आज के डेट में अगर EV खरीदोगे ना, just focus on range and only range. बिकॉज रेंज विल ओनली मेक यू फ्यूचर फिट। आपने फीचर देखकर गाड़ी खरीद ली, गिमिकी फीचर्स देख के गाड़ियां खरीद ली, ऑल गुड ऑल गुड, वो कुछ दिन चलेंगी बट रास्ते पे आपको रेंज ही काम देगा। क्या बोलता है भाई?
यस, एक और फीचर है इस गाड़ी का, जैसे रीजन मोड अभी स्टैंडर्ड पे है, आप एक्सीलरेटर छोड़ेंगे -3 किलोवाट है, आप ब्रेक मारेंगे ये -150 तक चला जाएगा। टाटा में ये चीज नहीं होता, टाटा में लेवल्स होता है 120।
तो अभी मैंने ब्रेक मारा, अच्छा
-50 तक चला गया। अगर हाई स्पीड पे रहेंगे तो आपका -150 भी चला जाएगा, जो मोटर का कैपेसिटी है।
तो इसमें रीजन तो 2 ही लेवल है, एक स्टैंडर्ड
रीजन 2 ही लेवल है, वो उस चीज के लिए, इसे आप एक्सीलरेटर पेडल छोड़ेंगे उस पे कितना रीजन होगा।
चलो देखो, मैंने रीजन को हाई कर दिया,
हाँ,
अभी मैं इसको एक्सेलरेट करता हूँ और सामने में एक बम्पर आने वाला है, तो मैंने यहाँ पे छोड़ दिया।
yes,
तो इट इज नॉट ब्रेकिंग दैट अग्रेसिवली,
it will not brake that aggressively to make the ride very comfortable. In Tata what you will see that 1 to 3 levels are there, it will restrict to that level.
Correct,
as soon as you lift the pedal, it will get to that level 1 region, 2 region or 3 region.
करेक्ट है।
You cannot control it with the brake pedal. Here what happens, it measures the speed at which you pick off your leg from the accelerator pedal. Then and if you do it very fast, then it will use the mechanical brakes, because you know the car will know that you are going to brake very harshly, and if you take it off very lightly and brake nicely, then it will use the regen.
तो in short, is it safe to assume कि इतना तामझाम से कोई फर्क नहीं है?
इतना तामझाम से कोई फर्क नहीं है,
मतलब स्टैंडर्ड में
it just improves the range because and makes the ride more comfortable. जैसे आप हाई मोड में देखेंगे तो आपका पेडल छोड़ेंगे -6-7 किलोवाट तक जाएगा, उसके बाद जब
देख लेते हैं।
हाँ,
ये मैं थोड़ा एक्सेलरेट किया, 60 पे आके मैंने पेडल छोड़ा है एंड तो -18 तक भी गया था, राइट? बिकॉज जैसे जैसे मैं अपने एक्सेलरेटर पे छोड़ रहा हूँ, वो स्मार्ट वे से समझ जा रहा है एंड द सॉफ्टवेयर इज ब्रेकिंग अकॉर्डिंगली। That's interesting.
And if you will brake lightly, it will go up more. But in Tata, it is fixed. Like level 3 means level 3. Like level 3 preset is like -30 किलोवाट तक ही जाएगा, तो उससे ऊपर वो जाएगा ही नहीं, आप मैकेनिकल ब्रेक्स यूज करेंगे।
Understood, understood. Well, that's really nice. But अभी this same car, they are, but that's all good. But ऐसा लगता है कि 37 लाख जो दिए इस कार के, अभी 35-34 में ये सेम गाड़ी अगस्त महीने में दे रहे थे।
There is no regrets. There is a cost of owning the car before. Yeah. So we have owned it all this long, 5-6 months. We could, yeah.
This boy has answers for all my questions. मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि चलो कोई एक क्वेश्चन में इसको मैं पकड़ूंगा। No, very very knowledgeable guy, and he's just 15. I mean, this is amazing, and that's why I wanted to get him, on our channel, because अपने क्या, मैं तो चलो मैं सीख रहा हूँ, अपने बहुत सारे व्यूअर्स ऐसे हैं जो ईवी चला रहे हैं बट उतना टेक्निकली अभी भी मैं जैसा उतना साउंड नहीं हूँ, बट दीज गाइज ये टेक्नोलॉजी बना रहे हैं। यू गाइज आर एक्चुअली, वो कहते हैं ना, यू गाइज आर, ईवी इज द फ्यूचर, सो इज यू। सो इनसे समझने में बेस्ट अपने को तभी समझ में आएगा। सो चलो कंक्लूजन पे अगर आए कि इफ इन 2024 अक्टूबर अगर आपके पास ये गाड़ी नहीं होती और अगर आपको दूसरी गाड़ी खरीदनी होती, तो आप कौन सी गाड़ी खरीदते?
I would have bought the same car but the premium variant, just because the ADAS is not there.
तो जब आपने ली थी तब प्रीमियम वेरिएंट नहीं था?
No, there was only one variant, and there was a special edition, which there was a green color in that.
Oh, that was a beautiful color, that military green
but
color.
But they were asking 50,000 more for that. And the waiting period was also 2 months.
Okay.
Yeah, it would come from the Chennai plant and all.
Yeah, everything comes from the Chennai plant only.
Yeah, matlab they would make the car for us. Like they would paint it just for us. They said that.
Got it. No, that's interesting. But what's your take on cars like Windsor and the Curve?
Yeah,
now that it's getting a big battery pack.
Windsor is a great car for first-time EV buyers. They have introduced a BAS system. Yes, so it's great for first-time EV buyers. They're focusing on that only. They're comparing the driving cost of running cost of an ICE car and a petrol car. So yeah, it's definitely more affordable.
Absolutely, I think that's an astute observation and a thought process. And at the same time, there are many more folds to that, and we will definitely discuss that on another video. But what about the Curve EV? What is your take on that?
Yeah, I took a test drive of the Curve EV. The car is great, but it's not very spacious.
It's not.
Yeah.
It's not really
The battery
spacious.
pack is also very great. The range is also great. Everything is great. But the
Features and all.
features are great. Yeah.
It is actually great.
Hmm.
तो आज ही मैं आपका आने के बाद था तो I had gone to the Tata showroom
Yes.
because I am planning to buy a new car and तो मैं वहां पे भी देखने गया था तो कर्व भी आज मैंने चलाई टेस्ट ड्राइव ली
Yeah.
उसकी. ठीक है चलो मान गए कि
Yes.
स्पेस के मामले में सी दिस इज अ बॉर्न इलेक्ट्रिक प्लेटफॉर्म सो ऑब्वियसली द स्पेस मैनेजमेंट इन कंपेयर टू
Converted EV.
करेक्ट वो थोड़ा सा अपने को कम ही होगा बट इट्स नॉट एग्जैक्टली अ डील ब्रेकर. सो पहले मैंने फर्स्ट इंप्रेशंस जब मैंने देखा था तो मुझे लगा था क्रैम्प्ड अप है ये है वो है बट आज मैं जब ड्राइविंग सीट पे था तो मुझे लगा मैं नेक्सॉन जैसा ही मेरा जो वो होता है ना विजिबिलिटी एंड एवरीथिंग वो नेक्सॉन जैसी ही थी.
Yes.
सो इट वाज नॉट रियली मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं कोई क्रैम्प्ड अप गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ एंड it felt really good. The suspensions and all, the response of the steering, acceleration, सब कुछ.
One more point, the suspension of this car is really great. You can feel it.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
it is.
If you compare it to any premium car like GLC or something, where there will be very minor difference. 19-20 का भी फर्क नहीं होगा.
I agree, and that is why it absolutely comes in the premium segment SUVs. Because लोगों को ये समझना जरूरी है कि the money people say it's overpriced. Not at all.
No.
It's the premium
Not
that
at
you're paying for the premium car,
Yes.
and amazing suspensions. It's
The
well
center of
balanced.
gravity is also great of the car because of the battery pack.
और एक और अमेजिंग बात क्या है ईवी कार्स की कि बिकॉज ऑफ द सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी अपने जो चक्के जो होते हैं ना वो जल्दी से घिसते नहीं है एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द रीजन अपने ब्रेक पैड्स भी जनरली नहीं घिसते हैं चक्के. आई हैव नोन पीपल हु हैव बीन ड्राइविंग ईवीज with the same set of tires, the OEM tires, they
Yeah.
have driven
1 lakh kilometers.
1 lakh
yeah.
kilometers.
Yeah.
Now, how
That's
amazing
true.
is that for the environment also?
Yes.
How amazing is that? So that's about it. Is there any question for me, Ivan? Is there anything that you'd like to know from me or
No.
anything?
No.
So how long have you been watching? How long have you been a subscriber?
Back the day when I got the Tiago EV. Since then, I had been searching for the reviews and all. I got your channel and then subscriber from then. Like I'm a subscriber since 8-9 months.
चलो क्या बात है. So अच्छा लगता है ना when people like Ivan and many others. अभी तो I find myself really fortunate कि कभी-कभी शोरूम्स में सब्सक्राइबर्स मिल जाते हैं. नॉट रास्ते पे नहीं मिलते उतनी बड़ी आर्मी नहीं हुई है अपनी अभी.
हो जाएगा.
चलो आप लोगों का वेल विशेस रहेगा तो वो भी जरूर करेंगे और मेहनत पूरी है but yeah again so if you are watching this video if you're from Kolkata and if you really want to meet up catch up just like how Ivan did and I am thankful to you my brother. ये कल मेरे को इसने अंकल बोला था पता है आपको. हाँ मतलब मैं दाढ़ी सफेद हो गई तो मैं अंकल हो गया यार.
नहीं.
मैंने बोला या तो भैया बोल या तो निखिल बोल. सिंपल एज दैट. अंकल आपको अंकल लगता है कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ हैं. चलो सही था अच्छा लगा. कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन मिस हो गया होगा तो आई एम सॉरी गाइस बिकॉज कॉन्वर्सेशन को रियल रखना ही सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट था एंड वीडियो ऑफ कोर्स बहुत लंबी हो गई है. आई नो दैट. सो ऑन दैट नोट वी गोना कट इट फॉर नाउ एंड gonna see you very very soon on my next video. Thank you once again Ivan for taking out your time and letting all the subscribers know about why this is a great car. So one last एक line में अगर बोलना है should we buy this car or no wait?
If you have a budget of 30-40 lakhs, you should buy the premium variant, of course. And if you have a budget of 20-23 lakhs, 24 lakhs, you can increase your budget a bit and get a 50 kilowatt version because it's a very value for money car for the price you are paying. The space and all and the BEV born electric vehicle platform, it's great.
Awesome. Thank you so much Ivan and thank you so much all for watching and I hope you really liked and enjoyed. So do let me know in the comment section and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you very very soon on my next video. Till then take care. God bless. I love you all.